Barksdale Intelligent Transmitter is a HART-enabled pressure transmitter, with very high accuracy of 0.1% of full-scale output. It is the most compact footprint HART pressure transmitter in its class. Wide pressure ranges, from vacuum to 30,000 psi, is achieved by using high-performance diffused silicon and thin film sensors. The explosion-proof enclosure design of 450X series makes it an ideal solution for hazardous applications in oil and gas industry, with worldwide agency approvals as UL 8X and IEC-X. 450 series is designed for unclassified and classified ordinary locations, in test and measurement, and industrial applications. Let us start by looking at the installation of this pressure transmitter. Please refer to Section 2 in the Installation and Operational Manual. It has details on mounting, wiring and powering up the pressure transmitter. More information, such as marketing and engineering literature, can be found at Barksdale website, www.barksdale.com.